currently I am at a relative's house, and so the reason why I'm making this video is to tell people, whoever films air conditioners, is just to tell them that just to be careful, because you can get in trouble. People become suspicious. So basically, recently I went back to the place with all those noisy Lennox units, and I got in really big trouble. I was filming some of them, and then I decided to move to a new location, and then what happened was that something was wrong with my GoPro. So then I was standing in the middle of the parking lot, and the GoPro was malfunctioning. Some people went out and they thought I was trying to take pictures. So then there was this angry mother who was like trying to call the police on us, like taking pictures of us and stuff like that. So then we leave immediately because they almost called the cops on us. And then what happened after that was that we went to another location, and then some other person was filming us there. And here's the thing though, I want to make this clear that I was not bothering these people. I didn't go on their properties. I was somewhere else. So why were they filming me? Most likely what happened was that this crazy lady probably called other people around the neighborhood saying, please look out for people filming air conditioners. So yeah, we got in big trouble, so I'm gonna do things a little bit differently now. I'm taking a break from filming air conditioners. Well, then you might be asking, why am I filming this one here? Because this is at someone's house. This is at the house of someone who I know. So I'm still gonna do that, just not going anymore to random places. It's from 2009. It's a 4-ton, I think. It's full compressor. It's a pretty big unit actually. Started up recently. So yeah, this is a Goodman. So I'm gonna film videos like this, but not like any more of those videos where I'm into people's properties, unless I get permission, that is. And so, or unless I go with someone that can explain to other people. So yeah, it's just a shame because I made this project called the Heat Pump Heaven Houston, where I was filming multiple heat pump heaven places, but those are the places where you would get busted the most often. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know, and still filming air conditioners, just not in the same way as I did before.